Yeah.
Ben, I need you to stand
Underneath the gas
no, on here so you can hold the fan up.
Alright.
Stand there.
Where?
This is gonna be good.
Actually, I'm going to stand on the drum riser because I can get right.
Oh man.
You're going to hold this fan. So grab these two paddles. Yeah. Right
Oh
there.
god.
There's gonna be a bunch of wiring there, so isn't it?
Yeah, you're just gonna get electrocuted. Don't worry.
Oh, I love getting electrocuted. It's my favorite thing.
Oh god.
Dude!
Oh, there it goes.
Give it a good pull. Yeah!
Holy fuck!
I knew it. I knew it. That's awesome.
Then you hold that fan up.
I'm working on it, dude!
Holy crap! There goes the roof. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Stop.
Oh my god, that was
Dude,
awesome.
this thing's not like
That was so
holding it up.
awesome.
No, I know.
Get it working! Fucking dusty in here.
Whew. Huh. That was so fucking awesome. Look at the roof, the roof, the roof, the roof.
I don't know how... Okay, you're going to have to hold that. Someone give me a hand.
Okay.
Yeah, dude, this sucks.
Bring